Hey, it's Andrew, and welcome to the Conrad Flip. This is my Sarnia property, just finished up, and I love how the exterior turned out. So come on inside and let's take a look. All right, come on inside and take a look. Check out how the living room turned out. I love the wide open spaces. We replaced a few windows, pot lights. Mwah, looks amazing. So here we are in the hallway. Where do you want to go? We got the bedroom, we got the kitchen, we got a bathroom. They're all amazing. Come on in, check it out. Brand new kitchen. This is a smaller kitchen, but it turned out amazing. Take a look. Come on into the main bedroom. Fairly spacious for a smaller bedroom. Double closet, nice size queen's bed, plenty of space for a child, teenager, who knows. And the main floor bathroom. This used to be really cramped with the vanity here, toilet facing the tub, your knees bumped into it. Now look how wide and spacious it is. We bumped out a wall to put the vanity in, and check out that bathroom. All right, follow me upstairs for the master suite. You're gonna love this one. Come on up. These stairs were completely refinished. They were super steep, really narrow stairs, and I love how they turned out. And welcome to the spacious master suite. Plenty of room for a queen size bed, even a king if you put it across the back. The bathroom is the piece de resistance. Come on in and take a look. Right, here we are in the basement. We didn't do too much down here except finish it off. We put a floor, trim. We just spray painted this ceiling. We're gonna leave this space for the future owner to make theirs. We do have an extra room over here that could be a bedroom or a den. All right, that's a tour of the Conrad Flip in Sarnia. I hope you enjoyed it. I think it turned out really, really well. I'm gonna go on to the next one, so take care.